Radhe Radhe everyone, welcome back to my channel Aspirants Horizon. So, yesterday was the day one for our RBI grade A or grade B preparation. So, yesterday my target was to complete ESI current affairs from 1st to 7th of May. I was able to complete it. There was very less current affairs, so I was able to complete it in 1 hour only. And in management, I have completed the chapter motivation, and in reasoning I have revised all the concepts of syllogism and practiced some of the questions also. So yes, I was able to complete my target of yesterday. So let's move, like now let's see for today, what I'll be covering today. So in current affairs, what I am adding is a scheme. I'm thinking of doing one scheme daily so that at last I won't feel burdened. And remembering scheme is very cumbersome process. So I'm thinking of doing one scheme a day. So yes, in current affairs, I will do finance current affairs from 1st to 7th of May, and with this I will do one scheme. The one scheme that I'll be doing is the Namaste scheme. The scheme was in news in the month of May. As I'm covering May month, so I will take the all the current affairs or schemes for May month only. So yes, this is the scheme that I'll be covering: National Action Plan for Mechanized Sanitization Ecosystem. In short, Namaste. So I will be covering this scheme. In management, I will try to complete this chapter communication. Yes, one of the most important chapters, and many previous year questions has been asked from this chapter. So yes, I will try to complete this properly. In quant, yesterday I did reasoning, and today I will study quant. And in quant I will start with the chapter partnership. I have done this chapter earlier also, but yes, I have taken 1 month break, so I need to go through the concepts again. So yes, I will try to brush up my all the concepts and practice some questions. And one more thing that I have added here is the practice. In practice, I will do 10 questions each of the chapters that I have covered already. For example, yesterday I've covered syllogism, all the concepts and everything. So what I'll do is, today I will try to do 20 questions of syllogism. I'll practice in this way. I will not forget the chapters that I have studying. So I will do 10 questions of syllogism. In this way I will be in the practice. And I will do 10 questions of DI. It does not mean I will be solving 10 DI. It's like that in one DI you'll see there are 4 to 5 questions. So I will solve 2 DIs, in total 10 questions. So yes, DI is very important for our quant, because if in RBI there are almost 3 DIs that there will be in the exams. So if I will be able to crack one DI, so I will get 5 marks. So these 5 marks are very important in our quant. As you all know, the sectional cutoff last year was around 7.5, in 2024, and in 2023 it was around 4.5. So if we will be able to crack one DI in our examination, our sectional cutoff will be sorted. So that's why I'm thinking of doing DI. Also guys, I have for DI you need to be strong in percentage and ratio and proportion. These two chapters are important. But yes, if you are not, if you have not studied these chapters, percentage and ratio and proportion, I will suggest you to first understand the basics of these chapters, then only go to DI. I have already studied these chapters, so that's why I will be doing DI. I'll try to solve 10 questions. So this is my target for today. I hope I will be able to complete it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much.